bit of a late breakfast this morning. Tea, bacon, eggs are cooking, and Dylan's got his toastie with mozzarella instead of cheddar because we didn't have cheddar. It's about 11:30, so still morning for once, but... So, I am going to be trying a 30-day... Essentially, it's a whole body fitness challenge. And I've got an app for it on my phone, which I'm just going to show you. So the app is called 30-day fitness. And what you get is what you have to do each day, a little wheel thingy that you get. See that little blue line on the inside? Shows you how complete it is. So I haven't done any of this yet, and I'm going to start on this now. And I think I may attempt to show you what I'm doing with my tripod. Fun! I'll probably not be very good at this, but let's give it a go. Is it pointed too far down?
Yeah.
Must have got tipped at some point. This is what happens when I stop for a moment. So I'm going to have to try to do it with not proper push-ups, aren't I?
Yep.